Yum, yum, yum. Wait for it. And I'm ready to bake a vanilla cake. And this is my porridge.
Welcome back to your Beck Sisters. This video is gonna be all about us baking a cake. These are all of our ingredients. We have flour, sugar, vanilla extract, butter, and eggs.
And this is the mixing bowl, and this is our cake mixer.
Without further ado, let's get started. So first we need to pour the butter into the bowl.
And secondly, you have to pour the flour,
the
sugar into the bowl.
And then now you need to take the cake mixer and mix. The mixture is all creamy and fluffy.
I'm going to be pouring the egg. So first thing you have to pour the egg, you have to grab it like this and mix it. And basically, my sister Liana, she's going to be mixing it again.
Now that the egg is poured in, Elise is going to be pouring in the flour.
The vanilla flavor inside your cream. I'm gonna do tiny one.
I think that's enough. Now we have to taste it to see if it tastes good. Tastes delicious.
Good. Yummy. I'm just gonna put butter inside the pan and I'm mixing. And
okay. And then now you need to pour your mixture into the 2 bowls. And then now I'm pouring the mixture into the 2nd bowl. Now that the 2 cake mixtures are ready, you need to get an adult's permission to help you put it inside the oven. Get an adult to put it in the oven and allow it to bake for 1 hour. Now that the cake is out of the oven, we are going to try it. Now that the cake is ready, I'm going to cut it into slices. then we're going to take a slice. Yum.
So good.
Tasty.
Looks so yummy.
Let's try it. It's so delicious.
It's so yummy.
We hope that you've enjoyed this little baking session. Make sure that you subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Please hit the notification button so you don't miss any more of our videos. Bye guys.
Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it